Hi, this is Roger. He's a male Princess Parrot, and we had him since June. He was born in November 2009, and here's some of the things that we've been able to get him to do. Roger, get a perch. Come here. Good boy. Get a perch. Get a perch. Get a perch. Come here. Good boy. Roger, get a perch. Get a perch. Come here. Good boy. Now get a perch. Come back. Come here, Roger. Good boy. Roger, get a cage. Back to cage. Roger, back to cage. Back to cage. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Step up. Good boy. Okay. Back to cage. We'll finish eating. Here we go. Back to cage. Step up. Good boy. And back to cage. Back to cage. Good boy. Back to cage. Back to cage. Good boy. Get a perch. Roger, get a perch. Get a perch. Good boy. You done? Okay. Roger. You done? Back to cage. Go back to cage. Good boy. Get a perch. Get a perch. Good boy. Back to cage. Oh yeah. Finish. Back to cage. Back to cage. Good boy. Step up. Get a perch. Step up. Back to cage. Good boy.